Last night my mom said she loved me for the first time. Tell me why I ain't feel nothing. Still love you, mom, but I ain't saying that it meant nothing. I know some boys who wanna hear that shit they whole life, but never gon' hear it. One drop right out the set. So you gotta love the moment, let that shit get past you. You gotta stay hoping that this shit gon' last, yeah. Stay fitty, read between the lines, never close your mind. One foot in and out all the time, you'll be fine. I stay fitty, close to crashing out, burning on my wrist, close to shut my mouth. Don't think that I've been my interest. I'm so fitty, my recent time wasted thinking about the trauma. My recent busy, focus on the karma. I'm so fitty, yeah, I'm so fitty. Yeah, I'm so fitty. Yeah, I'm so fitty. I'm so fitty. I stay fitty. Got thoughts about you, feel lost without you, feel lost with you. Need for myself, don't know what to do. Scared to ask for help, ran out of clothes.